KFA300 Mini Protection Relay Test System is newly published by Kingston Electric Company, which has the minimum size and weight relay test kit in the whole world. It is inbuilt 7-inch touchscreen operation and useful test modules focus on field testing. It will provide fantastic experience for every user. KFA300 equipped 3 voltage and 3 current sources. All sources are independent controllable. After device power on, we can click the icons to launch each test module. For AC test, we can use this test module for common pickup or drop-off testing. Engineers can inject trend voltage, current, frequency, and angle to simulate different trend period. All complex test plans that require specific magnitudes, angles, frequencies, waveforms, shapes, and harmonics to be generated on specific channels. Also, we have fault calculate to get different fault auto-calculated. Ramp test can set multiple variables change by sequence. All the sequence injection time can be controlled by pre-fault, fault, and post-fault. Engineers can use for applications such as rate of change of frequency relays, motor bus transfer schemes, or simply automatic pickup testing. For reclosing scheme testing or evolving faults, set up multi-state tests directly. All states can set voltage, current, and logic outputs. A sequence of simulate state like pre-fault, fault, post-fault. Auto-reclose condition can be simulated for dynamic state testing of the protection system. Virtually any protection system test can be performed including switch on to fault, evolving faults, current reversals, tele-protection schemes or breaker failure. State simulation serves as the basic foundation for all test modules for more realistic testing of relays. Harmonics allows for creating a signal with fundamental frequency, followed by a signal with definable spectral combination. Harmonics can generate up to 3 currents and 3 voltages, each with individual harmonics composition. The duration of fault simulation can react on a binary input signal and a time measurement of the trip time. Distance module is used for testing distance relay. It tests of the relay impedance characteristic boundaries or tolerance, just inside and outside of reference characteristic. For a single zone or multiple zones, it will automatically calculating the output of impedance test points. By adding a few basic test points, routine testing can be performed very easy. When used with a constant impedance current module, it can be used for verify that there are no blind spots and area of misoperation. This module can be used as tool for investigating some relay problems and in evaluating the performance of a distance relay. Overcurrent module is used for testing overcurrent inverse curve. It according to IE or IEC standard curves such as definite time, normal inverse, very inverse, extremely inverse, or some other predefined inverse curves, tests the current time characteristics of overcurrent relays. Test points are specified in multiples of pickup setting or in amperes. The expected operating time and the tolerance limits are automatically calculated based on the selected relay characteristics and settings. Sometimes, control center will allow for overload and blocked by full remote signal, or it may record wrong delay time of remote signal. We remote test can simulate this situation in order to confirm control center will working normal. Remote test will send a mass of remote signal stream in predefined short time. In this case, we can check delay time between control center and software setting. We also can define the interval time of each remote signal in order to make sure that control center is good performance.